Making data-driven decisions involves working with large, complex datasets. Fortunately, you can easily manage these datasets with a flat schema. In this video, you'll learn how to create a flat schema in Power BI and configure your table and column properties. Over at AdventureWorks, the company has received complaints from customers about incorrect and delayed orders. Let's help AdventureWorks build a flat schema to organize its data more efficiently. The first step is to connect Power BI to the data sources. To connect to a data source in Power BI Desktop, select the Home tab. Then select the Get Data drop-down menu. Select the appropriate data source from this menu. In this instance, you need to select the Excel Workbook option. Then navigate to the folder containing the AdventureWorks spreadsheet and select Open. Once you select the Excel data source, Power BI displays the available tables in the Navigator menu. For AdventureWorks, there is only one table in the Excel spreadsheet available to load: AdventureWorks Data. Select the table from the Navigator menu. A preview appears on the right-hand side. The preview shows the Excel sheet has one table which contains sales data for AdventureWorks. There are also other columns related to the data, like product name, category, subcategory, quantity, and more. You can perform transformations from this menu, but in this instance, you just need to load the data. So, select Load to add the selected data table to your Power BI data model. Next, select the data set from the Data pane on the right-hand side of the Power BI desktop interface. Then select Data View from the left sidebar to view the dataset. You can now configure your table and column properties using the Power Query editor. To access the editor, select the Home tab and then the Transform Data option. For example, you can select the Properties feature to alter the spreadsheet name or add a description. Add some spacing to the spreadsheet name. Then, add the following description: AdventureWorks Sales Data. This makes it easier to identify the spreadsheet. It's particularly useful when working in a team. Now you can begin applying transformations to shape the data as a flat schema. First, you need to remove duplicate data from the Order ID column. Select and right-click on the Order ID column. In the drop-down menu, select the Remove Duplicates option. Alternatively, you can access the Home tab and select the Remove Rows option. In the drop-down menu, select the Remove Duplicates option. Either action removes all duplicate values from the selected column. You can also format the product weight column by changing the data to a decimal type. Select the column, then select the Transform tab. Select the Data Type option and select Decimal Number from the list of available options. Confirm your selection to change the column type. When you've completed your transformations, select the Home tab and then select Close and Apply. You're then returned to the Power BI desktop interface. You can make further changes here using the Table Tools and Column Tools tabs. For example, from the Column Tools tab, you can select the Format option and change the product price column data type to currency. The next step is to edit the model. Select Model View from the left-hand sidebar to view the schema of the loaded data. The model view shows that there is currently one table of data. This shows that we are working with a flat schema. Since there are no other tables, there's no need to build any relationships. However, you can still make further changes to the table's properties. Select the table in Model View to open the Properties pane. You can make more changes here by selecting individual columns from the table. You should now be familiar with creating a flat schema in Power BI from your data sources, and you should also know how to configure your table and column properties using Power BI and Power Query. Creating a schema in Microsoft Power BI is an essential skill for entry-level data analysts. As you progress in your data analysis career, you'll explore even more complex schema structures to handle more intricate data scenarios.